So what is this gorgeous glowing tree behind me? Hi, and welcome to the Garden Fix. I'm Rob, and I'm in Zone 6B, Western Pennsylvania. So today on the Garden Fix, I want to show you one of the newest additions to our garden. And this beautiful Japanese maple is called an Acer shirasawanum. Yeah, that's a mouthful. This is typically known as autumn moon, full moon maple. Now I'm going to step aside and we're going to take a closer look at this little guy. So autumn moon is definitely a tree that you want to try to plant in sunlight. It's all about the leaves when it comes to this tree. Now in the springtime, the leaves come out kind of yellowish green, still very beautiful, kind of a lime. But if it's in sun, the edges turn this kind of burnt orange, reddish color. And man, does it really, really glow. Not only is this tree beautiful in spring and summer because of the foliage, but in fall, it even turns a more richer orange. It's going to be a beautiful show. This is our first year with it. Another nice thing about this is it's perfect for small gardens. The height of this only reaches about 9 feet, and that is in about 10 years. As you can see, this one is probably getting close to 6 feet tall. Also, the width isn't that wide for a typical Japanese maple. It only gets about 6 to 8 feet wide. If you're wondering if this tree is hardy for your area, it is hardy in USDA zones 5 through 7. So it can get pretty cold and still survive the winters. When you plant this, you want to make sure that you don't plant it at ground level. Make sure that you keep it raised above ground level so it will drain very easily. Make sure your soil is consistently moist at the beginning. Don't drown it. As we move up the base of this tree is multi-stemmed right now. I could, if I want to, prune off 1 or 2 of these stems, but I think, unlike most of the trees in our garden, I'm going to let this be a multi-stemmed trunk. Now the growth habit on autumn moon says it will get about 6 to 9 inches every year. So it's kind of a moderate rate. It's not very fast growing. One of the things I really liked about the color on this is that it is really a contrast to some of the bushes that we have behind it. We do have some 9-bark growing behind it over there, and just this lime and then this purple, a perfect combination. I decided to come out here in the morning because this is the best time to really look at this tree, when the sun is starting to come up and the sun starts to hit it and these leaves really start to glow and look beautiful. Another wonderful thing about this is you can really underplant this tree and add some color around the base of it, and they seem to act on each other. The flowers below seem to jump out a bit more, and also the tree seems to stand out a bit more. So really a nice combination when you underplant this tree. I was a little bit concerned about where we were planting this because we do have a lot of shade behind the back of our garden here, and since it's been in, and it's been in for a few months now, it does seem like it's growing all around, and it's getting new growth all around it, as you can see by the red tips for the new growth, and that's really nice. A lot of times trees tend to reach for the sun, and this one seems to be happy all around. All right, there you go, guys. Another beautiful little tree for your garden. Again, autumn moon, full moon maple. Beautiful color for your garden. Small and probably perfect for any garden. On that note, thanks a lot for joining us here at the Garden Fix. Stay tuned for more videos. Follow us on Instagram. And don't forget, the earth is a canvas. Paint it.